mga bulilit.
Hello mga bata! Are you ready to sing and have fun? Clap your hands and sing along with me!
Baby panda, soft and round, rolling gently on the ground. Tiny paws and shiny nose, wiggly ears and sleepy toes. Munching bamboo all day long, humming little panda songs. Climb a tree and peek around, tumble softly to the ground. Moon comes up, the stars all glow. Cool night breezes start to blow. Baby panda snuggles tight, dreaming sweetly through the night.
Nag-i-enjoy ba kayo mga bata? Tara! Let's sing one more time!
Baby panda, soft and round, rolling gently on the ground. Tiny paws and shiny nose, wiggly ears and sleepy toes. Munching bamboo all day long, humming little panda songs. Climb a tree and peek around, tumble softly to the ground. Moon comes up, the stars all glow. Cool night breezes start to blow. Baby panda snuggles tight, dreaming sweetly through the night.
Hanggang sa muli mga bata! Like and subscribe for more videos. Salamat!